moye genda kunomya obulamo genda buntamya. Yo, I name just Steady Black Man, SMX Media. Nalo, keep it locked.
Anti teka ly'ebisiyaga wayogera nnyo ku teka ly'ebisiyaga
ensi komuno gudu ne badduka abakooto
etteeka ly'ebisiyaga Bobi Wine yaga nti Museveni yalireeta kutagetinga ye bwe yagambye
Bobi Wine semunenya Bobi Wine tali used ku interviews ezo abazungu bamusinga abo abasajja abazungu abo balaba they are not when you look at a press conference organized in Europe or America and the press conference organized here, they are different. A Muzungu will insist on one question. Are you going to attack Iraq?
Nachidingana.
Bonna bajokubuza bajje kintu eki. Kimu abawantu bagenda babaguze ebibuuzo byabwe. Oba anga yaabwe. Owabukedde abuuza asemanyi federo. Owacho basiya. Owamanyiza n'abuuza ebyobusiru. One vision n'abuuza ebyobusiru. Bali abasajja babuuza kibuuzo.
Kimu ne bakiremerako.
Two, when you go for an interview, ngenda kubuuza, you must know okwagazaaki. Tuyina mu interviews tukugamba. When you are going to interview Muwanga, ask him, has he been in the news in the last 1 month? Yes. And what has been the content? Two, when you come like me to interview me, the first 10 minutes or 20, establishing a report one. On data, because from Muwanga, these are regular meetings, interviews. But in Europe, you will never have a chance of being interviewed again. Except if you are an expert on criminology or sociology of what. Okay,
so do you want to say it is the foreigners?
The third point.
But normally we are tricking Bobi Wine into these statements.
The third point is so good. Bobi Wine, just something else that you want. The Uganda Museveni, I am Minister Guyagamba, the particular paper about 6 Kurais, Yamusanga Yachima, Kategi Soma, or you must say Jaway Wakis. Seven government Akogamba, you know, Cheshamu. War President Yamagas. If I can put an input, one day the president asked me, I was watching WBS, I said, yes, this is what I said. You did a good job, but do you think I should go to somebody? You have more information, you have more collective enemy, go. Na facing Gabani. Bonabe Narina Bo Aria, Yajirana Mugambutus, ku WBS, Yaria Patis.
Abarumba.
Yes. But what in a Ramkaka, the Babit and a Jansen? Nanganti, do you believe you did a good job? I saw you struggling. Mugan to get that. Yarian came out of
Omuga is on a dab not a Bimazan about again.
So what? Take a mind you.
Omgantia, Omulagantia in information, a singer for you.
I got Bobi Wine. That's what I was wrong. Bobi Wine. Echo chibuza mwenda chibuze Tamale Mirundi. Do you know that at one time mwenda cross to no na chifendi
yagenda nafuna nayo nekka
mayiru wachi bali bamwepankako era bamwegayira nakomawo yagenda mumaka g'omuntu omu nalagira amajege ne besikoti bene bamukwata nanyiga amayi twitereke mu lusula mwenda yanyigo kamala bukamala mwe nze mbakolera ebintu era nabano yabaga nti I can write a paper for you nemulekera okutta abantu mumalwa temujja kutta amwe potential kakati tenkubuulira ti Bobi Wine yali anukudde atya Museveni bamubuuza ekyabasiyasi aliya n'agamba nti Africans unlike you in Europe Africans has taboos.
We have taboos, yes.
In Africa, is a taboo. We can kill you. But what we are going to do, Museveni, we are going to not allow them to parade in the cities. We are not going to allow them to organize the functions. Era abasajja bwe basooka okwogera wano nti beewasizza baali wandegera Museveni directed the police to arrest them. It's a police initiative. Kati Museveni bamutega. Kazimba nemubaji. Obagala musende. Because of our stance, Your Excellency said it was. But let me ask you, when I compare Kazimba and the Mubaji and the Basias, they're worse than the Basias. The two religious leaders are worse than the Basias.
What are you saying?
The Messiahs in Europe cannot sell his church. We have seen churches which are being sold. One is in the Embarrass is Kazim. They are churches.
No.
Oh, Messiahs, a good battle, Amune, Nabakizaniza, Yamuguzi were Butu. And you have a secretary churches in Europe. Because the Messiahs in Europe will say, I'm a man targeting a woman is a body. They won't call a sex change. I'm a woman targeting a man is a body. They won't call a sex change. Togamba, nti omusajja asigala musajja. Katonda yakola system. Wadde abamu babikola, nti Robinson, yali bishop e Bungereza. Nga ate no mu marriage musajja, ate mu marriage y'abahomo. But in old age, Katonda yakola, nti they tolerate omusajja yenna okustandinga bwati enyuma emala kwesiga. The anus tightens.
That's true.
Yes. Kati if you attack the anus, the anus affects the muscles of the anus, affects the penis. Takola byombi. The argument is nti mwe ba homosexuals mwina abaana temuzala kati basooka kuzaala ne bagenda mu homosexuality, but the two cannot work. An African man to be turned into a woman. Ngomusajja ne bomugamba obugandi gwe mukazi we yakufuga. Ekyo kitegeera. Fe twakulanga katugamba tibowe bakamunjuba nekulitako abadde omusajja afuuka mukazi. Batukikkiriza. Why should in African tradition the republicanism in America where tetukiza mukazi kusika? A woman cannot become president of Uganda. Nti eggwanga bali ebakako.
Omutegeero otya.
Anti vice president avuddeyo kazibwe nti omusajja amukuba. Walabye France gyebiri, walabye mu America gyebiri, nti Abaganda ekifundikwa kyange omwana wange bamukube nakyo omwana omukazi kigende mu menstrual period. You don't look at these things.
That's how you interpret these things.
Yes.
Nti omuwala tasika kubanga olowooza nti bajja mukuba ne
even mu Bungereza gundi yali ava wabbaawo nti efero British yebaka ku Queen
tekyasoboka.
Era bwe bakwata ono gundi Diana ne bamuleeta byalema. Omukasajja ono bwagenze South Africa n'ali biremi. They used to marry from European monarchies. Nti British ajje eno weno najje eno weno najje. Naye nti one of your oba n'ente nze nnunda ente tekkiriza mwana gwayo gwe yazaala kugyerigirako egitomera n'egitta. So kakati kyenkubuulira.
So what would Bobi Wine have done?
Bobi Wine would have said simple. If he had handlers, not advisors, would have said, yes, I'm a Democrat. I sympathize with the Basias. But it is a problem in Africa, in my country, the way people believe in the homosexuality. Teyali implicating Japanese. Why? Nabo gye basakira okubagamba nti bali bakola morals of Museveni yabakubye nnyo, even if they are.
Even if they are.
Yes.
So there is some possibility that they could be moles.
Yes. Nti olaba oyo omusajja weewome namugamba nti kitwala amazi kitwala amazi. Abeena ali mubaganya okwetika.
Yeah, because Asmani Basa is more intelligent than some of those MPs. He's intelligent. Musajja mugezi. He's a lawyer. He's a senior lawyer. He's a senior lawyer.
Bamuwadde ekyo batono jeno. Kankubulire muwange oyo omusajja omusiru nnyo. Nze nali mu respecting. I met him.
Still respect him.
No, I
He brought a good law?
No.
He defended it. He lobbied colleagues to pass the law.
When you might wear a
Ned Ngerina, you know, you see, you know, you see.
An African man telling me homosexual. Kwazindo. No, but Bagala 70 cent. Because of our stance on this, therefore, to sustain our will in a cheat. Western Uganda to be but the Takabakazim, the very Malawi. I'd rather do with the homosexual. The homosexuals rape people. Have you ever seen a case involving a homosexual raping
another?
No. Me, I don't fear homosexuals. I don't respect the as leaders which can serve places of worship. Katonda yatutonda tumwagale tumuwulire tumusinze
tumugulumize
nga tuyitawa bwe munaakuŋŋaananga abangi namwenge tibawuli n'otunda church church Anglican church netunda church erimu ndeba ekunamira kazimba nti kazimba I rather do with a homo kubanga homo Katonda tagambanga nti muzaale mwale nga muyitawa
nyuma
ba homo boba conservatives they are part of a method to reduce the population. One of the methods of reducing is homosexuality.
It's a family planning method of some sort. Reduce the population.
I found you to be a non-honest witness. How can I just see the
Flavia Munaba. I found to be a non-honest witness. It's an indictment. I found to be a non-honest witness.
19 billion. You think, where do people get money? If people can resort to killing patients in hospitals, centers are abatayina bwongo tumukube tumuwonoone tumuniyomu tumunyalemu tumwavuwaze kale nange mbasuula eddala.
The Inside Out ne Joseph Tamale Mirundi walero wetu tumumaliriza n'ebigambo bye bwatyo bwayogedde omukukunavu
naye otya nkakuweeko
Simon
batudde
Yanga Lutaya obutambi
bwesaagaomanyi
kinyagabanya omunsonyi obutambi olwakyaneno obutambi bwenedda tetusobola kukozesa obutambi bwa busigaza ajja bukubireeyo bukozi bubi nnyo obutambi obwo bubi nyonyene
famire yaabwe yeetemyemu omusajja gwe bagamba ti an old man with the two daughters yokuteesa
tukimaliriza abitandise tukimaliriza tubimaliriza ebyo tebirimu ebyo nebwe tukimaliriza